Are you a student in China trying to send money back home to Zambia? Whether it's for family support, tuition, or personal expenses, sending money internationally can be confusing and expensive. In this video, I'll show you the easiest and safest way for students in China to send money to Zambia. Let's get started. Sending money from China to Zambia through traditional banks can be slow and costly. Bank transfer fees are high. Exchange rates may not be favorable. Transfers can take several days, and sometimes payments are delayed due to verification checks. As a student, you want a simple, secure, and cost effective solution. That's where I come in. I help students in China send money safely and quickly to Zambia. Whether it's family support, tuition fees, or personal funds, I handle the process professionally. Here's how it works. Step 1. Contact me on WhatsApp only. Step 2. Provide the amount you want to send and the recipient's details in Zambia. Step 3. Make your payment in China using the agreed method. Step 4. I process the funds and deliver them locally in Zambia. Step 5. Your family or recipient confirms receipt. Fast, secure, reliable. Why choose me? I am a trusted and well known online entrepreneur in Zambia. I have experience handling digital currency exchanges and cross border payments. Transparent pricing, no hidden charges, fast processing times, professional and reliable service, a strong reputation built on trust and consistent results. When sending money internationally, trust is everything. I make sure your funds reach Zambia safely and efficiently. Very important. To avoid scams or impersonators, contact me on WhatsApp only. Do not trust anyone claiming to represent me through unofficial platforms. WhatsApp only. If you are a student in China and want to send money to Zambia safely and quickly, get in touch with me today. Message me on WhatsApp only to get started. Let's make your international payments smooth and stress-free. See you on WhatsApp.